Hi everyone, here we've got KYOCERA Torque G03 and let me show you how to add and then remove a Google account from this device. So first of all, let's enter apps and now let's tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll down and find accounts. Let's tap on it and now let's choose add account. Tap on Google. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay. And let's tap on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got some backup and storage info, so let's tap on I agree. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. If you want to remove it, just tap on the account you want to remove and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it immediately disappears, so it means that we successfully removed it. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your KYOCERA Torque G03. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.